Welcome back. Whether you want to call it Black Friday or Cyber Monday, let's face it, the deals are out there to be had, but they're selling quickly. I just wanted to show you what I got in this mail call today. I just got 3 packages in the mail. Now, I did show a video before showcasing a Milwaukee deal. Now, if you buy it in store, you can purchase 5 of the 6 tools. If you buy it online, you can get all 6. Now, what happens is last year you can get these framing hammers. What's cool about these, on the top here, you can put a nail in here. That way you just set your nail and start hammering. And really, for as nice as these are, and you can tell they're constructed very nicely, they're not that heavy either. But you get a nice swing on it since they're longer. And nice wood handle. I prefer the wood handles instead of the other materials. Again, personal preference. So, I got this last year and it's $15. You had a choice of 2 tape measures. They were a double pack, again, $15. And then you had your squares. I like these, they're aluminum, they're never gonna rust. So you can get the standard size, and then they had a mini. And these are in a 2-pack as well, $15. And of course, I have my other knife somewhere else, but the Milwaukee fastbacks, again, you can see I put mine through the abuse, still works flawless. Great deal on these, 2-pack again. So I did grab some more items. Again, these were $15 last year. This year, they're $19 a piece, but if you buy 4, then you get $20 off. So now it bumps it back down to $15 a piece. Or if you want to look at it this way, if you're buying 4, you get the 5th one free. However you want to look at it. So let's see what we got here. I bought some of the other ones, and I just wanted to show you some of the deals that are not in store. This is actually my Diablo, the oscillating blade set. Again, if you go online, you can still buy these. In store, they're long sold out. From day one, my store had none. And a lot of other places did have them, but they sold out. These are only $29.99. And usually a set like this is like 50 bucks or whatever it is. So let's get back to the Milwaukee stuff here. Should be Milwaukee anyhow. I've been buying a lot of different things. Okay. So this is what you can get online. And I actually purchased 2 of these. Hopefully the other one's in here. I was supposed to get 2 of them. Now these are the Milwaukee Screwdriver sets, 11-in-1 and 13-in-1. I don't know if this is an online exclusive. I never have been able to confirm that. But that's one of the tools you can get if you buy it online. Now this is $15 when you buy all 4. So this is 11-in-1, 13-in-1, multi-drive bit with the Torx, etc. sets. And you can kind of see on the side here all the different bits you get with that. But again, I've yet to see that in any stores or people really mentioning that. But if you get it online, it's there. Now the last package. They did a nice packing job, by the way. Okay. That's right, I only did buy one of those. So I got these. Now they did not have these last year as well. The 7-in-1 pliers. So more for like electricians. But again, these are a really nice set of pliers for $15. I actually bought 2 of those because I use pliers all the time. And again, this is the first year that they offered these as part of the deal. Last but not least, my favorite probably. I'm a big fan of utility knives. I use them for everything. You know, whether it be cutting carpet, especially drywall. I use drywall all the time, and anybody who uses these know when you get drywall dust in here, it pretty much makes the knife non-functional. You can see how beat up mine is. I pretty much spilled everything on there you can. And again, look how smooth that is. And anybody who's used them before knows after a few cuts of drywall, your knife just doesn't work like it used to. And also the other thing, blade comes out so easy. And again, I had this caked with drywall dust. Most of the other ones won't do that. So again, you get both the regular, there's actually two different types of fastback. There's a compact version and a screwdriver version. This is a screwdriver version. I'll do another video on this later, but you can see what you're getting here. You have that compact version and then the screwdriver version. Again, $15. So if you're buying 4 items, your total is going to be $60 instead of $80. Now, if you get a 5th one, it's just going to basically make it buy 4, get 1 free. So hopefully you enjoyed this deal. Just wanted to make sure you didn't miss out because this is a really great deal on Milwaukee tools. I took advantage of last year and also this year. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Get out there, get that deal. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell notification. It'll let you know whenever I have a new video coming out. And I think I'm just about wrapped up with all these deals. Time to get some work done. We'll see you soon.